Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about RPA in healthcare. Guys, this is Abhinav Sabharwal and I am Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and check out all the links we mentioned in this video. You can find the links in comment section below. We have discussed several use cases and implementation tips for finance, insurance, etc. Let us turn our attention towards healthcare industry. Many manual processes here are simple, rule-based, and high volume, precisely the process features that call for automation. Let's look at 6 of them. So first up, we have patient scheduling. Software robots can streamline online scheduling. Factors received via appointment requests like diagnosis, location, insurance carrier, personal preferences, etc. can be gathered in a report and forwarded to a referral management representative who actually makes the appointment. Who will benefit? Simply put, everybody. An easier job for call center personnel, less mistakes, more satisfied customers, and more evenly distributed appointment across doctors' working time. Second use case is claims management. Claims management takes up a lot of healthcare administrators' time, if only because of the many sub-processes that must be handled. Inputting, processing, evaluating, dealing with appeals. Automation can lead to substantially faster and error-free processing, thereby laying down administrators of appreciable burden. Moreover, consider that a significant amount of healthcare claims, and that is as much as 30 to 40%, don't comply with official demands. Software bots can easily identify those exceptions and thus save many unnecessary payments. By performing more accurate data entry, bots also improve billing efficiency. Third use case is revenue cycle functions. Revenue cycle often involves many code changes which can be burdensome for the system. Robotic process automation is the right measure to ensure seamless adaptation to these modifications and therefore an overall coherence. These administrative processes get a boost from data digitization and from the automation of repetitive tasks like accounts payable. Our fourth use case is regulatory compliance. By improving patient record management and due to technology features such as high accuracy and minimization of human error, RPA in healthcare results in tracking more standardized patient-specific routes towards patients' desired health objectives. Automated processes allow more timely identification of patients who deviate from the plan, and consequently, they make it easier to bring them back on track. In fact, continuous remote monitoring of individual records at the level of population health without robotic process automation involves very large costs. According to one survey, health plan providers are discovering software agents as a cost-effective alternative to enhancing or replacing paid forms. Our fifth use case of the day is improvement of care cycle. This is another positive upshot of above mentioned continuous record monitoring made possible by improved data analytics with RPA. Analyzing comprehensive amounts of data increases the likelihood of more accurate diagnosis, which leads to well-tailored treatment strategies. Additionally, doctors who don't have to manually track potentially very large amounts of data because bots can do it can invest more time in attending to and providing human assistance to their patients. This is yet another illustration of paradoxically humanist outcome of an RP deployment. The fact that technology makes people really matter. And last, sixth use case of the day is support of large-scale implementation of health plans. See, robotic process automation ensures that all processes steps are tracked, traceable, and documented, as well as systematically organized in well-structured logs. This facilitates healthcare companies' quasi-permanent readiness to deal with external audits, even unexpected ones. Guys, to conclude that, we can say software robots can provide a much-needed helping hand to industry facing new demands as times are changing. educate care for growing number of people turn RPA into healthcare into something more than mere alternative. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Guys, if you are a healthcare professional, if you are working for companies like say IKS Health or CTS Technologies and want to get into robotic process automation, or if you're just working for any other healthcare company and want to learn robotic process automation and uh, introduce it to your company, please contact me. My details are on the screen right now. And remember, we have online industrial training. We have flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience. We make sure you get certification, and we also help you with resume preparation and interview preparation and placement assistance. Thank you again for watching my video, and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you.